What's going on, YouTube? Dorito here from Dorito and Lucha Cabre. Lucha Cabre is still off chasing squirrels today, so we're going to change the oil on a TAO GK110. We're going to use some mobile super synthetic oil, and it takes 17 millimeter. Let's get on with it, shall we? Now that we got the Jeep lifted up, what we're going to do is we're going to pull our dipstick right here. I said dipstick. We're going to pull our dipstick and get that loose. So then when we do pull the drain plug, we'll be able to drop the oil better. So let's set the dipstick aside right here. And then let's go ahead and come on under with me. And we'll get this going. Let's get on with it. Don't forget also, you need to use eye protection just in case you get something in your eyes. This is an educational show. Okay, now that we're under here, what we want to do is we want to take our 17 millimeter socket and our 17 millimeter ratchet and get on under here to this bolt right here, which is right next to the crankcase. It's the only 17 millimeter underneath. We want to take and break it loose. Now it could be kind of tight, you know, it's from the factory, so it's first oil change, so it could be kind of tight. So here we go. There we go. Okay, wasn't too bad. So what we want to do is we want to loosen this up and get ready and drop the oil. Now you got to be real careful not to spill everything because, you know, luch is a mess, which sometimes I'm a mess too. So got to slide you aside a little bit here, get our drain pan ready to go. Now that we got our drain pan there, let's hope we don't hit the camera, huh? Okay, so then get our oil dropping, and there we go. So now that we got our oil dropping, we'll let it run down for a few minutes and get back to you. What I've decided to do is add an extra quarter quart, half a quart of oil while it's draining to flush out this system. That way there we get any stuff that's all the way through there out. Now I know that's a little excessive, but hey, what the heck. No problem with that. Okay, now that the oil's empty and everything's flushed out, as you can see, we got it clean there. No problems. We're going to go ahead and replace the drain plug as such. Make sure it's not cross-threaded, so back up the threads a little bit and then bring it in. Tighten it all the way up by hand. It should go all the way up to almost snug. Now that you got it hand snugged, you want to go ahead and take your ratchet. Make sure everything's tight. And then back up to the top. Let's go back up to the top, shall we? Okay, now that we've got the drain plug tight and everything, we're going to go ahead and fill up the oil. It says take a half a quart, so that's what we're going to go with. Come on in, let me show you where we're going. See where we're lit up here. We're going to go ahead and put our funnel in right there. That was where we removed the dipstick earlier. And we're going to put in a half a quart and go from there. And you want to make sure, just be careful and not spill. Not that hard. Okay, so we're at a half a quart. Go ahead and pull this up carefully. We want to use a rag so we don't spill all over the floor like luge. We get our dipstick here. We're going to go back on in here. Come on in. We're going to wipe our dipstick. And what we're going to do is we're going to put our dipstick in. We're going to tighten it all the way, turn it all the way down. We don't need to tighten it up now, mind you. But we're going to bring it all the way down. And then we're going to bring it back up. Come on here. Let's go ahead and pull out the dipstick, check our level. Now where we want to be is right at ring height. And we're approximately right there. Okay? So where we want to be, let's check it out, pull it on out. Our level's so good. What you want to be is right around this ring area. You can't really see it very good because the oil is brand new. So you want to be in that area. So far it looks good. So what we're going to do is we're going to tighten this all up. We're going to check this out, and then we're going to take it for a quick run. Okay? Okay, let's get in here. It's kind of hard to get in. This is more luch size here, and this belongs to my little one. So let's take it for a run. Well, start.
Clown buggy.
Goes into gear. Be right back.
I think we should catch up to him.
So today we got ourselves a guest driver. Since the Lucha Cabre is out, she's a little Lucha Cabreac. We're going to call her Chica Cabre. You ready?
Hi there.
Okay, let's go ahead and go. Put your foot on the brake. Put it all the way. Oops, wait a minute. We got to get you out of gear. Here we go. Now that we've taken the buggy for a test drive and had our little test driver as well test drive the buggy, we're going to go ahead and check the oil level and make sure it's full. So what we want to do is we want to pull this dipstick out, and we want to wipe it off, dip it all the way back in, and tighten it all the way back down. Now you got to be careful with tightening this and make sure you don't cross the threads because this is plastic. So once you get it tightened down, you want to bring it back out. You want to check your oil level. Okay, so we're right at the ring, so it looks good to go. Oil is fresh, ready to go. Okay, so now that we've changed the oil on this, we've got that good to go. This is ready to run. So that's it for the oil change today on the Jeep GK110. Thanks for watching. Took about a half a quart. Don't forget to smash and like that subscribe button, and I'd like to thank my filming crew today. Mrs. Chip wouldn't be able to do it without you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.